You can't even see the other ball. It has a design on it too. The first test. Check out the light, hopefully. Yeah, they're on, dude, but there you go.
Turns into the same.
Yeah, it's just your outer light bulbs.
Oh, let me put it in reverse.
Days later, honestly, almost a week later, I'm supposed to have something uploaded by tomorrow. That's not gonna happen, sadly. So my apologies, but it's whatever. Today, I gotta be at work in like less than 2 hours, but it's like 65 degrees. The sun is out. It's beautiful, and we are going to clean up the car a bit. Mostly just gonna focus on the rims right now, and then I'm just gonna spray off the rest of the car, light sponge, no soap or nothing. I ain't got a lot of time. Plus, I'm not trying to get soaked, so let's get right into all of this. You. After we give it the scrub around, we just come over with our hose all this dirt out of here. Get all the soap and suds out too. After this, I'll probably just take a microfiber cloth and clean her up, but look at that compared to this. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna repeat that process to the rest of the tires and give a little soak and scrub to the rest of the car. So let's start up that. the rims all done and cleaned, wiped off. They look a lot better. And now I think, as I said before, we're just gonna do a quick spray down to get rid of all of the little bits of dirt that have been collecting and everything. But after I spray this down, I'm probably headed out to go driving for 30 minutes or so before I gotta head to work, so. Barely see it, but that's there, bro. Yeah, there you go. Follow it like that.
Yup. Yup. Oh yeah, and then I started back there, huh?
Yeah, dude, that's GTI power.
Man.
Holy crap! I'm waiting for the cops to show, bro. It's upload day actually, it's Tuesday. And video's a little too short right now, so I may or may not be just bull crap in a bunch of minutes, but we are gonna make some breakfast. These eggs, gas. I don't know. I made them the same way I always do. But they're gas. So I was thinking, I'm pretty sure in the last video I told y'all I was going to buy a downpipe to try and fix an issue. After further research, I'm only going to buy the flex pipe part of the downpipe, because I think that's where the weld issue is from, that flex pipe. So I think if I just replace that, it should help at least a little bit. And I mean, if it doesn't, then I'll buy a downpipe anyways. But that's my thought process on that. So we'll have that coming and a few other cosmetics coming. Maybe next episode we'll see how fast they ship. But those are some of the plans for now. As always, if you guys have feedback, leave it down in the comments below. Let me know what's up. Thank you all for watching.